Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Netflix not loading. So to fix that, there is multiple solutions. The first one, you have to check if your internet is working or not. So that means you have to check if you are actually using Wi-Fi or if you are actually using, I don't know, for example, your 4G or 5G, because internet is like mandatory to use Netflix app. And also after that, you have to check your subscription. You have to check if your subscription on Netflix is actually active or not, because if your subscription is not active, that will not let you watch videos on Netflix. And after that, you have to check also, go to your settings, and before that you have to go to the App Store and check if the Netflix app needs an update or not, because sometimes there is some errors that happen in the Netflix app, and just by updating the app everything will be good. For example, like here I have the Netflix app, and as you can see, my app is up to date because it gives me only the option to open the application, and that means that there is no update available for me right now. And the last thing that you can do, if you can't find a solution, you can uninstall or delete the app from your phone, delete the Netflix app. And to delete the app, you have just to long press on it, and after that click on remove app and delete the app, and after that install it again. So those are the possible solutions that you can do if Netflix is not loading on your phone and the videos are not loading on your phone. But after that, if you do all these things, the app should work properly on your phone. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video. See you.